Life, yes, that's the big passion we all have. So I give the reasons why people lie, and I would also guide a person who is actually watching the video and needs help here. So finally, we all are here to help each other. The first reason why a person lies is the person wants to avoid punishment. That's the reason he or she is lying. The second reason why a person lies is he or she feels the problem can be sorted out with a lie. He has a wrong concept finally inside him, and it's a wish fulfillment. He wants to fulfill something good in life, something reward or anything. That's the reason he or she lies. So finally they are into a shortcut behavior. And the third reason why a person is lying is they have a low self esteem. The person has not created a proper identity about self, and they are struggling with the self concept. That's the reason the person is just trying to avoid what actually he or she is, and trying to be a fake finally. The next reason why a person is lying is they know what others want, but they feel sometimes I can't do it. What I do is I just lie. Means if a person feels that a person who is smart, the person is accepted, so he tries to act as smart, but actually he is not smart. He actually considers like this. As I told, the person has a poor low self-esteem. That's the reason he does like this. So finally he thinks whatever others accept, I do it, but I am not that inside. So he wants to cover up what actually he is, and he is just avoiding that self more and more in life. The next reason why a person lies is he or she is concerned more about others, not about self. Yes, exactly. He or she is concerned what others think. What do the others think if I behave like this? What others think if they get to know that I made a mistake? What is wrong making a mistake? I want to ask this question, because many of them want to lead a perfection life. But as you all know, we make mistakes. We make mistakes in life. In that way, we learn something. Finally, if that's not accepted, that's the reason why they lie. They want to get over it as soon as possible. They don't want to be a bad person in front of the society. That's the reason they lie a lot. And they become a more and more manipulative in nature. And this damages the personality. And finally, end of the day, they cannot sleep night properly because they feel inside guilty about what they're doing. And there will be an inner conflict more and more happening inside self. That's the reason the person slowly gets into habit of lying, and they get into addiction, I can say, because such behavior also leads to a personality problem and addictions, which leads to problems like they get into smoking because they want to cover up, they want to get into the problem. That's the reason they go into negative coping mechanisms. So negative coping mechanism, even that I call it as lying is also a negative coping mechanism which the person is doing more and more, and which creates a problem in life. The next reason why they lie a lot in life is they have a fear of losing anything in life. It can be anything you can take in mind. It can be losing people in life, losing some designation or property, or any situation in life. They do not want to lose finally. They have a fear that I am rejected. If I am rejected, I won't be accepted anywhere anyhow. That's the reason what I do is I lie to people. They lie, they lie, they lie. They just escape from the reality. They escape from self. Finally, who is under loss? Finally, it's the person who is lying is under loss, not the anyone around. So finally, the person needs help. Whoever is watching the video, whoever is into lying, please understand you need a serious help as soon as possible. I would suggest CBT works well. Cognitive behavior therapy works well for the person who is into more of lying, and you need to attend personal sessions counseling where they help you to overcome the lying habit, because finally it is damaging you inside, and you are having some root cause behind why you are lying. It can be your childhood related issues, or it can be unfinished business. I call it as unfinished, unresolved problems which you are trying to cover up, lying a lot in life. Finally, you are the person who will be paying if you are into this habit. So please take care as soon as help from a specialized counselor. Thank you for watching my video. Hope this video helped you and reflect on what you're doing in life. I hope this helped the person who is into it, and finally they need help. Thank you again for watching my video.